next door. And if I can cook, you can cook too. Today I'm going to show you a very exciting recipe. The recipe is called bitter gourd with eggs. Let's begin with sauteing the garlic in cooking oil, and then we put in the onions. Fry it for a while, and then we put in the bitter gourd. Garnish it with salt and brown sugar. Simmer the dish with drinking water to further cook the bitter gourd. Add in the soy sauce and the Chinese wine. The Chinese wine is optional. Stir a little bit, then crack in the eggs. Cover the pan with the lid and simmer for about 1 minute because we do not want the eggs to fully cook. We lift off the cover. Look at the eggs. It is still soft and bouncy, and the gravy is bubbling. Time to switch off the heat. It's done. So before I try this, if you like my recipe, kindly like and share my videos with your friends, with your neighbors, and subscribe to my channel. Put on the notifications so that you can always be kept updated with what I am sharing every day. Very simple, easy to cook dishes. Okay, now let's try the meal. I'm going to take my first mouthful of bitter gourd with eggs with the creamy yolk on top. Bitter, sweet, creamy. You can feel the silky texture of the eggs enveloping all the bitter gourd, and it's nice. You should try it. Make it yourself, and feel free to comment once you have tried making this recipe, or if you have other bitter gourd recipes to share with me. I'd like to know. Thank you. Bye.